we're going to demonstrate rows, an exercise you can do while you watch your favorite TV show. This exercise is great at not only strengthening the front of your arms, but also your back. First, we're going to demonstrate how to do a standard row. Then we'll show you some modifications in case you have joint limitations, or maybe you have an active bleed that we need to accommodate for. Lastly, if you've been doing rows and strengthening your back for a while, we'll show you some variations that can make it just a little bit more challenging for you. Remember though, however you decide to add rows into your exercise routine, these exercises shouldn't hurt as you go through them. So first, Eric is going to show you how to do a standard row using our water jugs for just a little bit extra weight. He's going to pull through his elbows, keeping them nice and tucked to his side, keeping those shoulder blades tucked down and back as he goes through them. Next, we're going to show you how to do a modification, because just because you're having an active bleed doesn't mean you have to stop being active. We're going to change out our water jugs for soup cans for a little less weight, and we're going to do them in a seated position to help protect an ankle or a knee. He's still focusing on keeping his shoulders tucked down and back and keeping his elbows nice and tight to his side. Next, you can further modify this exercise by doing shoulder tucks. Shoulder tucks are a great way to further limit the range of motion if you have issues at an elbow. Lastly, we're going to show you how to make these exercises just a little bit more challenging. You can next do this same rowing exercise, but in a plank. Remember, while you're doing your plank, you want to keep your core nice and tight and your hips nice and level. Still thinking about pulling down and back through those shoulders, not raising up through our shoulders. You can also do this same exercise, again adding a little bit more weight, and you can go for a narrow version, moving out to a wide version to work different parts of your back. As you can see, it doesn't have to be difficult to add rows into your exercise routine. You can do them anytime, including while watching your favorite TV show. However you decide to add rows into your exercise routine, make sure the movement doesn't hurt as you go through it. The resource folder at the top of your screen has a handout to help you create your own personalized exercise routine. Remember, before starting any new exercise routine, you should always consult with your healthcare providers. If you have any pain during the completion of these exercises, please stop and reconsider doing those exercises for today. And if you have soreness following the completion of these exercises, refer back to part 1 and 2 on what is appropriate levels of soreness. Thanks for watching.